So what is the TouchTunes app? It's quite popular. As you can see, it's in top charts actually in music category. Yeah, so this app allows you to play songs on jukeboxes in different restaurant bars areas around United States, United Kingdom, or Canada. So yeah, this is not the app where it's like Spotify, Apple Music, where you play different songs. Nope. You just need to be in a physical location near that bar, have jukebox device available, and then you can select a song, add it to the queue, and it will start playing in that jukebox outside. So that's basically the idea, and it's pretty fun. However, it's not available worldwide. It's only available, yeah, in US, so you need to be there. So yeah, just open it up, open the app, and then you can see that's the process. You just create an account with Facebook, email, or like Apple ID. The app, by the way, is available also on Google Play Store, on Android, also on iOS. It's not available as a web app. And then, yeah, you just need to give access to your location, and then you just find jukeboxes around. So like, I'm in Europe, there are no jukeboxes around, but if you used it before, all your previous jukeboxes will be saved here in my locations tab, and then you will be able to play them remotely, even if you're not in that location. To play the song, you need to get a credit, and then you just need to purchase credits like this. You can get, like, for example, 12 credits for $7, and every song is a new credit. So you just purchase that credits. You can use credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or you can activate after refill, and then you can just play it. So yeah, let's just go again super quickly how to play a first song. So just download the app, Google Play or iOS App Store. Then you just check into the nearly jukebox in your location. Like you can see in US, you have that. Then you just create an account, or you can create an account and then check in, I don't know, search for a song, search music, select a song and purchase jukebox credits. So yeah, to play a song, tap on the song title or album artwork, select Fast Pass or Play. This will take you to the wallet view where you can purchase jukebox credits, select an amount of credits to purchase, select a payment method, and Fast Pass option will play the song in priority queue in case there are some songs before your choice. Maybe, of course, there are other people trying out this app. And then just press play and enjoy the song. So there you have it. Pretty cool. Now you also have everywhere credits which can be used in the different jukebox locations, because if you bind credits, they're only available in that location where you use them. You have different payment choices. You can see here. You can play your songs. You can, yeah. So, and then you can create your own playlists. You also have your DJ username. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, if you want to delete your account, you will need to reach out to support. So just tap contact us in the top right, and then you can reach out to their support. So it's pretty handy. Yeah, and then here you can just purchase credits. As you can see, there is promo. You need to check in. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. Pretty cool app, super fun if you like it. It's not possible to log in via Spotify or Apple Music to this app. If also, like, a lot of people asking, like, if you want to add your song which is not in the library of TouchTunes, so you can do that, but just reach out to their support. But probably it's actually pretty complicated, so it will just take a lot of time. You can see your credit balance, whatever. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Anyways, I hope I would be able to like walk you through this app in the location where it works. But yeah, try it out. Definitely a cool app.